Have you ever worked with someone who looked at things a little differently than you did, and you found that their different view was interesting and helpful? Well, you can basically simulate this with AI. Researchers at Microsoft have developed a prompting approach called Solo Performance Prompting, or SPP prompting, and it has an AI assume multiple personas, each with a different kind of expertise or point of view, and then engage in a simulated collaboration with each of these assumed personas and then deliver its result to you. This prompting method is great for solving complex problems or generating really creative results. And in experiments, AI models prompting with this approach deliver results that are quantifiably up to 20% better. So in this module, I'm going to teach you how to use this technique with the TESSA framework. Let's set up an example. Let's say that Sahid is working on a marketing strategy and he needs to know how to position a brand. So he needs to understand consumer attitudes across 3 different demographics that the brand targets. With the SPP approach, he can prompt the AI to take on personas, for example, a teenager, a working parent, and a retiree. And the AI can then simulate a discussion among these personas before generating a recommendation for Sahid. So to build this prompt, Sahid uses the TESSA framework. TESSA is a step-by-step process for building this prompt like this. First, you name the task, then the experts, then you start the discussion, then synthesize, then find agreement, and then get your results. So let's go through this. Task. First, we introduce the task to the AI through our prompt like this. I need help with a branding strategy. Now, experts. So here you're going to name all of the hypothetical people, subject matter experts, audience representatives, whatever, into the discussion like this. Let's bring together people who represent different audiences. 1, a teenager interested in computer games. 2, a working parent who plays games 4 hours a week. 3, a retiree who likes technology and plays games for 10 hours a week. And then you tell the AI that it's going to be in the discussion and it's going to lead it. Now we start the discussion. So you'll do this, for example, by telling the working parent to share what they're looking for from a brand like this, the teenager to share how it would like to interact with this brand on social media, and then the retiree to share what they like about the games that they play. Synthesize. So now what you'll do is tell the AI, again through your prompt, to synthesize the ideas of the personas and then generate, in this case, a branding strategy. Now in other prompts, it will be whatever the task is. And finally, agreement. So you'll tell the AI to have the personas work together until they agree on, again in this case, an amazing branding strategy for Sahid, and then deliver those results to you. And it's important to note that this prompting technique works perfectly with the ICO framework. You simply add any instructions that you have at the top of your prompt, add any context that you need to add, then add the TESSA approach to your prompt, and then have the AI deliver any output that you'd like it to deliver to you. So in summary, the SPP approach enables AI to simulate multiple personas, improving its ability to solve complex problems and be creative. Use the TESSA framework to use this approach in your prompts. Task, experts, start the discussion, synthesize, agreement. This approach works nicely with the ICO prompting structure. You can add instructions, context, then TESSA, then an output structure. To read the paper on solo performance prompting, go to eazl.link/multi-agent, and for an example, see eazl.link/SPP example.